The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, I hope all of you are doing very well today. Would you like to read a new story with me? Great! This story is called Kitty Wants to Swim. Before we start reading the story, shall we look at some of the pictures to try and guess what the story might be about? Alright, before that, let's read the title together. Kitty Wants to Swim. What do you think Kitty is? Maybe Kitty is a little girl, or maybe Kitty is a cat. Let's look at this picture. What do you see in this picture, children? We see a little boy and a little girl and a cat. What are they all doing? They are all eating ice cream. Do you also like eating ice cream? Me too. Look at the cat's ice cream. What happening to that ice cream? It look like it's melting. Has your ice cream melted before? Yes, mine has too. Can you tell me when it has melted? When did your ice cream melt? My ice cream melts on hot days. When the day is really hot, I am eating ice cream. My ice cream melts. Alright, let's look at this picture. What's going on here? What place do you think this is? Could it be the park or garden? Maybe it's the beach. Have you been to the beach before? Do you like going to the beach? When do you go to the beach? I go to the beach in the summer. And what do you do on the beach, children? You can play games. What kind of games do we play? We can play catch and we can make sand castles, right? And what else do you see some people doing in this picture? Are flying a kite. Have you flown a kite before? Wonderful. All right, children, now that we have seen a few pictures from the story, Let's try and read it. Children, I hope you enjoyed looking at the pictures in the story. Children, now would you like to read the story? Wonderful. I will read the story aloud. You will follow the words on the screen. Let's start. Kitty wants to swim. Phew! It is a hot day. Kitty has an ice cream, but it melts fast under the sun. Kitty wants to go for a swim, but where should she go? Maybe the beach. She remembers going to the beach on a hot day. The beach was crowded. There were families playing different games. Some were playing with bouncing balls and flying discs. Others were flying kites. Some children were building sandcastles by the waves. The beach is not for me, thinks Kitty. Maybe the lake. She remembers going to the lake. There were bright yellow flowers and tall green grass around the water. There were colorful birds chirping and tiny little red ants that bit her. There were lots of flies too. They were buzzing in her ear. The lake is not for me, thinks Kitty. She remembers going to the river with her friends. They had a wonderful swim. But the river was deep and her mother had told her never to go there again. Maybe the swimming pool. Not a good idea. The security guard will not let her in for a swim. Swimming pools are not for cats. Kitty is upset, but not for long. There is a huge puddle of water just before her. Kitty jumps in. It may not be a pool, but Kitty is cool. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.